So I'm going to eat this, guys, Chobani flip. So I'm going to take this off first, and I'm going to flip it. And like that, guys. So that's why it's Chobani flip. Because you need to flip the toppings. It's all sugary though, like strawberry. And there's a little bit, so I'm going to eat it. I got some kind of like less sugar too, but this one's good. Let me try it. It's strawberry.
Doesn't it say less sugar?
Mmm. So this is kind of like strawberry covered chocolate. Chocolate covered strawberry. Very good. Mm. I only have one though. So like it tomorrow, then I'll wait till we go to US. Because there's no like this here in Canada.
That we found.
Okay, bye. Chobani chocolate covered strawberry. Chobani flip.